All right, good morning. Good morning. Coach Michael Burt, 7:03 on Thursday morning, first week of October. My name is Coach Michael Burt. I believe everybody needs a good coach in their life. I like to bring these rhythms and these more, I call them a rhythm, right? Your heart beats in a rhythm. Your life happens in a rhythm. When you stay in a rhythm, typically good things happen. When you get out of rhythm, that's when life gets tougher. So, number one, I want to wish you good morning. I'm in Watercolor, Florida this week, recharging. I had a big September on the road. I don't know how many days, but just back to back. So it was a big September, so I'm recharging my batteries down in Watercolor, Florida. So how do you package your purpose? That's the subject of what we're going to be talking about this morning. and I could say this a different way, Freddie Blanton or Daniel Hodges. How do you package your talents to solve a problem? You guys noticed that last night I had a revelation that there was a big problem that I wanted to solve, that I was uniquely qualified to solve based on my unique past. There was a problem that I go, you know what? I'm going to tackle this problem. And I think it could help millions of people if I tackle this problem. So each of you, David and Brian, have a unique skill set. That unique skill set is based on your unique past, your unique experiences, your unique mentors, your unique education. Okay? It has produced a primary skill in you. That primary skill is valuable to solve a big problem in the world. Now, you hear me say money changes hands when problems are solved. You could use your skill to solve small problems. We call those bluegill problems, and you'll always make bluegill money. You probably get very little attention or recognition for solving these problems. So you gotta. The revelation I had last night is, boom, here was a problem that I faced. If I faced it, I started asking how many other people are facing this problem, Brian Covey. And I go, you know what? I bet thousands of people are facing it. But thousands of people may not be uniquely qualified to solve it based on their unique past. They may be qualified to solve another problem. So I go, boom, I have a skill set. Here's a problem. It could be valuable for me to solve the problem, but it could really be valuable for other people. And if I use my skill set to solve their problem, then guess what? They may likely come back and go, thank you for helping me solve my problem. And that, my friends, would give me a sense of purpose. Exchange of talent, Israel, for a problem is where purpose happens. Let me say that again. Exchange of your talent. So you take your talent that you've been given. I believe you were given these talents at birth. Okay, I believe God gave you the talent. You find the talent. You refine the talent. You utilize the talent. You solve a problem for other people. And there's an exchange. Now, we like to think of exchange like money. Oh, yeah, they're going to pay me, Amanda Beener, to solve their problem. And that would be, yes, but currency is man-made. Okay, it's a piece of paper. It's exchanged between people. The people that create the most value have the most currency. Now, but having said that, if you use your talent to solve a big problem in the world that helps a lot of people, they're going to come back and they're going to say, thank you, I owe you. They're going to pay you in money and love and appreciation and affirmation. And most important, they're going to pay you in purpose. So wouldn't it be cool if you could wake up every day knowing what your skills and talents are and what problem you wanted to solve in the world, and you could distribute your talents to the world and solve these big problems, and millions of people could say, thank you, I owe you. And you make millions of dollars in the process. This is precisely why I developed the boot camp, Package Your Purpose. Okay? Because you have to find this skill set. You have to package this skill set. You have to market the skill set. And you have to monetize the skill set. And I tie all of my best things together: the selling system, everything that we do. I tie it all together into this one boot camp called Package Your Purpose. Okay, so some studies say 87% of people live their entire lives, they never find their purpose. I actually believe Nathaniel and Ryan Hall. It's not that they didn't find their purpose. They didn't find their skill. And they didn't find the problem they want to solve. So these are big revelations. These are like boom, boom, boom. This is exactly what I'm supposed to be doing. And once you know that, I was excited. I was both fascinated. I was curious. I was interested. And it occurred to me by watching something last night that there were people that took a negative situation and they used their skill set to create a positive opportunity, Chris Denson. So they took a negative situation. They took their unique skill set. They applied that skill set to the problem. They created a positive outcome for this group of people, or it improved their situation. I go, you know what? Boom. Man, I had this problem. I bet other people have the problem, but I am uniquely qualified with this skill set. Okay, take the skill set, try to solve the problem, bring awareness to it, and in that exchange will be purpose. So if you're interested in knowing how to find your skill set that would separate you, or maybe you have your skill set, but you're not monetizing your skill set at a high frequency, that is a specialty area of ours. And we can walk you through a unique process that I've been developing, a proprietary process I've been developing for, 20 years. Take you through the process, show you exactly how to find your skill set, find the problem, Gabby, package the skill set, market the skill set, and ultimately my goal for you would be that you go make hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars with that. So it's a unique boot camp that I've created. It's brand new. It's called Package Your Purpose. It's November 1st and 2nd. And it's like going to the factory. One of the new rooms, Gabby, at the Greatness Factory is called the Dream Foundry. And you say, what is a foundry? A foundry is a place where they took raw materials and they took raw materials, Christy Fields, and they converted them to something. That's a foundry. So the Greatness Factory has a Dream Foundry. It's where people are going to go in there and mastermind, take their raw material, and they're going to manufacture something, right? It's a Greatness Factory. We're going to manufacture the greatness. So, this is really what I'm doing at this boot camp is I'm going to manufacture, and I'm going to take your raw material. I'm going to show you how to package it. I'm going to show you how to market it. I'm going to show you how to monetize it, okay? All right, it's November 1st and 2nd, so if you're interested, just click in the links. I'll post the link if you want to talk to one of our team members. We'd love to talk to you. We take about 54 people per workshop. Right now, that workshop is at 44 to 45. So I got space for 9 more people if you're interested to do it. It's called Package Your Purpose, November 1st and 2nd. I can't wait to do it. And if you're going to be in Charlotte, North Carolina, I'll be there on Saturday of this week. Charlotte, North Carolina. I'll be in Denver, Colorado next week. I think Wednesday through Friday, speaking at a conference, doing some things. So I believe everybody needs a coach, guys. Make it a great day. Hope you guys are great. We're in Watercolor, Florida.